Here you go.
I have my little booty now. I got
Oh, nail polish!
Look at me.
I love this, Mickey. I love this.
What are you
I
doing?
have a fetish with hats in our house, I swear. I love it.
I feel like it's Christmas
Sock
morning.
monkey.
We have a cat.
You got a sock monkey hat.
Dolls, and then we have the
Go,
sock
go.
monkey.
She wants another present.
And Dylan was like, I want one.
I really.
Kiki?
Gary,
Like,
Bill.
yours is all like wet.
Because they like it that way.
Medium or?
No, now see, I knew this has
They
like
need
major
small
culture, so
sacrifice.
we don't even have a clue.
They weren't.
Why didn't you go to JCPenney?
Hey, look. They're
Footy pajamas.
feet pajamas. And look at the bottom.
Because I couldn't find them nowhere in size for you. I couldn't find them nowhere.
Yeah, we had a hard time finding footy
No,
pajamas.
that's getting hard to open. Mr. Hoy's have to use his
Oh, my
knife.
dad.
Yeah, Daddy, use your knife. I want to take pictures.
You see those
I
gloves?
love this, Mickey.
They text. I was texting with them in the store. Them sons of bitches are expensive though.
Mr.
You
Corey!
can do my makeup later.
Yeah,
What?
sure. It's for you. I wrapped them myself. Oh, Elizabeth, you have 2 more presents.
Oh, yeah.
3. Here's the sock.
You got an email. You got 3 emails about that.
Real in class.
I haven't gotten it yet.
Open your sock. Oh, this is
Where's
so
my little
cute.
Kiki?
Yeah.
Want to go to work again?
He's cute.
Thanks,
Yeah, I'm gonna-
Elizabeth.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
from Dylan. You have that from? Is that from Dylan?
I love that.
And
I like
Elizabeth?
this. I like this. Oh.
She gave up on it.
Special spots, you know?